Hello everyone, welcome to our third video lesson in Algebraic Simplification Part 2. In our last lesson, we looked at order of operations and we summarized the lesson with the acronym BODMATS. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at removing brackets. Now, a general rule involving brackets is that we always try to simplify the terms inside the brackets first. If they will not simplify, then we'll go ahead and remove the brackets. So let us quickly consider two cases with positive signs before the brackets. Case 1. 9 plus open bracket 5 plus 2 close bracket, and 2. 9 plus open bracket 5 minus 2 close bracket. Now in case 1, we're going to approach it in two ways. Now the first way is for us to simplify the terms in the bracket. So where we have 9 plus open bracket 5 plus 2 close bracket. In the bracket we have 5 plus 2. So we simplify both terms, which means so we add 5 to 2. That will leave us with 9 plus 7. So when we add 7 to 9, we have 17. Now, the second method is to say, let's remove the bracket. So we have 9 plus 5 plus 2. So when we add 5 to 9, it gives us 14. Then when we add 2 to 14, we also have 16. The result is the same as the first method. What this means is that 9 plus open bracket 5 plus 2 close bracket is the same as 9 plus 5 plus 2. So using alphabets, we could say that A plus open bracket B plus C close bracket is equal to A plus B plus C. Now, case 2. Using the same methods, in case 2, we have 9 plus open bracket 5 minus 2. So we simplify the term in the bracket first, which is 5 minus 2. That will leave us with 9 plus 5 minus 2 will give us 3. So we have 9 plus 3. So when we add 3 to 9, that gives us 12. Now using the second method, we have 9 plus open bracket 5 minus 2. If we remove the bracket, we have 9 plus 5 minus 2. If we add 5 to 9, we have 14. 14 minus 2, we have 12. Also, the result is the same as the first method. What this also means for us is that 9 plus open bracket 5 minus 2 equal to 9 plus 5 minus 2. Now, also with alphabet, we could say that A plus open bracket B minus C close bracket equal to A plus B minus C. Now, a general point to note is that when there is a positive sign before the brackets, the signs of the terms inside the brackets always stay the same after removing the brackets. Alright, so example 1. Simplify the following by removing the brackets. 1. 3 plus open bracket 7 plus 2. 2. 13 plus open bracket 6 minus 4 close bracket. 3. 4 plus open bracket 3 minus 11 close bracket. 4. 7 plus open bracket 13 minus 9 close bracket, and 5. 5 plus open bracket 2 minus 10 close brackets. Alright, so now from the question, we've been clearly told that we are expected to simplify the following by removing the bracket. What this means is that we are not supposed to simplify the terms inside the bracket. We are expected to remove the bracket, which seems like our method 2. Alright, so this is what our solution would look like. 3 plus open bracket 7 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 7 plus 2. Now when we add 7 to 3, we have 10 plus 2. When we add 2 to 10, we have 12. 2. 13 plus open bracket 6 minus 4 equal to 13 plus 6 minus 4. So when we add 6 to 13, we have 19 minus 4. And then 19 minus 4, we have 15. And in number 3, we have 4 plus open bracket 3 minus 11 close bracket. 4 plus 3 minus 11. So when we add 3 to 4, we have 7 minus 11. We're subtracting a large number from a small number. So we're going to have minus 4. Now we've looked at the lessons in directed numbers before this lesson. So if you missed that lesson, please you may need to revise before you go on with this current lesson. Alright, also in number 4, we have 7 plus open bracket 13 minus 9. That will give us 7 plus 13 minus 9. So when we add 13 to 7, we have 20 minus 9. When we subtract 9 from 20, we have 11. And then in number 5, we have 5 plus open bracket 2 minus 10. That will give us 5 plus 2 minus 10. When we add 2 to 5, we have 7 minus 10. Now, another case of subtracting a large number from a small number. When we subtract 10 from 7, we have minus 3. Alright, so quickly we move to example 2. And in example 2, the question says, write the following without brackets. 1. A plus open bracket B plus D close bracket. 2. Open bracket A plus 3B close bracket minus 2C. 3. 2A plus open bracket B minus 4C close bracket. 4. Open bracket A minus 5B close bracket minus 6C. 5. Open bracket A minus B close bracket plus open bracket C minus D close bracket. 6. A plus open bracket B minus C close bracket minus D. Now observe that in each of these examples, the terms inside the brackets don't have anything in common, and so they cannot be simplified further. Therefore, our solutions will look like this. 1. A plus open bracket B plus D close bracket. If we simply remove the brackets, we'll have A plus B plus D. That's all we need to do, because there's nothing more we can simplify about this. 2. Open bracket A plus 3B close bracket minus 2C will give us A plus 3B minus 2C. 3. 2A plus open bracket B minus 4C close bracket, and we have 2A plus B minus 4C. 4. Open bracket A minus 5B close bracket minus 6C. If we remove the brackets, we have A minus 5B minus 6C. 5. Open bracket A minus B close bracket plus open bracket C minus D close bracket. If we simply remove the brackets, we'll be left with A minus B plus C minus D. And in 6, A plus open bracket B minus C close bracket minus D. Now, when we remove the bracket, all we'll be left with will be A plus B minus C minus D. Now, this is pretty straightforward. Alright, so let's quickly look at the last set of examples. And the question says, remove the brackets and simplify the following. 1. A plus open bracket A minus B. 2. 6x plus open bracket 3 minus x close bracket. 3. Open bracket 4m plus 5n close bracket minus 3n. 4. Open bracket 4x minus 5y close bracket plus 11y. 5. Open bracket 2p minus 6q close bracket minus q. 6. Open bracket 7 plus 3n close bracket plus open bracket 1 minus n close bracket. 7 open bracket x minus 3y close bracket plus open bracket x minus 3y close bracket. 8 open bracket 12a minus 7 close bracket plus open bracket 4 minus 5a close bracket. Now from the question we're told clearly that we're expected to first remove the bracket, then go ahead and simplify. So our solution will look like this: a plus open bracket a minus b close bracket. So first of all, we're expected to remove the bracket. When we remove the bracket, we have a plus a minus b. Now in simplifying, we have two terms in a. We have a plus a, so we can simply add a plus a together to give us 2a minus b. Number 2, 6x plus open bracket 3 minus x close bracket. If we remove the bracket on this, we have 6x plus 3 minus x, and we collect like terms. That would mean we have 6x minus x plus 3. Now 6x minus x leaves us with 5x plus 3. Number 3, open bracket 4m plus 5n close bracket minus 3n. Now we have 4m plus 5n minus 3n. We have two terms in n, so we can subtract 3n from 5n, and we have 4m minus 2n. And in number 4, we have open bracket 4x minus 5y close bracket plus 11y. So when we remove brackets, we have 4x minus 5y plus 11y. Now we have two terms in y. We have minus 5y plus 11y. So we rearrange them, bringing a positive term in front and moving the negative term behind. That leaves us with 4x plus 11y minus 5y. Now 11y minus 5y, we have 4x plus 6y. In number 5, we have 2p minus 6q minus q. That will give us 2p minus 6q minus q. So minus 6q minus q, we have 2p minus 7q. Now in number 6, 7 open bracket 7 plus 3n close bracket plus 1 plus open bracket 1 minus n. Now if we remove the bracket, we have 7 plus 3n plus 1 minus n. Now we collect all the numbers together and we collect all the values in n together. We have 7 plus 1 plus 3n minus n. 7 plus 1 leaves us with 8, and then 3n minus n leaves us with 2n. So we have 8 minus 2n. And in number 7, we have x minus 3y close bracket plus open bracket x minus 3y close bracket. Now if we remove the bracket directly, we have x minus 3y plus x minus 3y. So when we collect all the terms in x together, we have x plus x, and all the terms in y, we have minus 3y minus 3y. X plus x will give us 2x, then minus 3y minus 3y. It's the same way to say minus 3 minus 3. That will leave us with minus 6y. So in the end, we have 2x minus 6y. And lastly, in number 8, we have open bracket 12a minus 7 close bracket plus open bracket 4 minus 5a close bracket. Now if we remove the bracket in this case, we have 12a minus 7 plus 4 minus 5a. When we collect all the terms in a together, we have 12a minus 5a plus 4 minus 7. 12a minus 5a leaves us with 7a, and then 4 minus 7 leaves us with minus 3. Now here's a quick exercise for you to do. Alright, so there you have it. So if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment in the comments zone, or you could just tell me exactly how you feel about this video. Alright, so in our next lesson, we'll be looking at the negative sign before the bracket